Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to zoom in and out in CapCut, step by step. It's super easy. Let's get started. Step 1. Move the video cursor to the point where you want to start zooming. Then click the keyframe icon, the diamond. Step 2. Move the cursor slightly forward to the point where you want the zoom to be complete and click keyframe again. Now zoom in on the image as desired and adjust it. Step 3. To return the image to normal size, move the cursor to the point where you want to start zooming out and click keyframe. Then, move the cursor to the point where you want to end zooming out and click keyframe again. Resize the video to normal size and adjust the image. And that's it. Here's the result. If this quick tip was helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.